So position of ground positions and the top of hill of volcano dam data. This is volcano dam data, and this is a depth of that volcano. So we are very easy to expanding this. So just then we go here, the right click on the tables, open the attributes. You can look here options. This is the options. We are just applying here the expressions we are putting on between. You can just put this formula on that expressions, just adding here, paste. You type also, or you want to require the types, because we are just clear visible for the peoples. That's why I just writing here. Sometimes people could not find the formula how to write in between multiplication points. This is a comma. So sometimes we can look here the like a point dot, so people very easy to understand. Okay, so just applying that. You can look here in the tables, all value are selected. So we are changing here the interval times. Just put here the 10 and apply. You can look here on between some regions data are selected. So we are adding here, just click on the table, add field. It is give the name of interval. Next option, we are using the text. We require the 10 digits numbers. Okay, just we expression on that, just right click on the interval options here in your tables. Just right click and just you can look here the field calculator, open that. Yes, here first interval we are passing the one options. Okay, we give the one id for that interval 1. Then we you can choose the second year option, switch selection, just switching the value on here another remaining data. Just right click on here, go to the field calculator. Yes, and interval is a 2. Click OK. Okay, so entire contours we give the value of that exactly required. Just close it and close these ones. We give the number of that each one of lines, so we easily understand. Just right click on your contour line. Right click on your contour lines, just right click on your contour line shapefiles, go to the property. Then we go to here symbology. So go to the category, in between having the uniques. So we are selecting here the contours and just deselect the symbols of, just go to the unique value in between having the contours and deselect here, add value. I think I am doing the different. We go here the interval we are putting the two values 1 and 2. So we normally by default just pass the thickness of that ground situations. Just give the thickness 1.30 and give the color code also dark shade. Okay, so little bit thickness we are increasing and divided by 2 color, dividing in the 2 colors. Just click OK. You can look here the 2 shapes, 2 positions of that contours is creating here the two different colors. We are change the, then we go to the label, just okay. First we change here color code. Okay, so here we easily understand the points. Then we go to of the again we go to the property. Then we go to the labels. You can just enable these features. We give the number of that data, just enable and apply. You can look here and values are coming. So which value we want to require? id field of id which one is perfect give the answer to you. That values are adding here. We are adding here the contour. So here 1 and 2, 1 and 2, but just giving that numbers of this is a 1, green line is a 1, red line is 2. That's why 2 values are coming. So we are giving the id number of that lines. So just click ok, apply. Then you can look here. Then I show you. These values are going to outside of the lines. So we again go to the right on that control line, open the property. Go to the label, in between having the symbol, apply, click on this symbol, just edit that symbol. You can look here the options. Last options is mask in these tabs. Mask, actually general, format, advanced text. So we go in the tab mask, select here, okay. Then you can look here the 780 in this lines. We are not sure to which contour lines information are providing. Go to the placement property. You can look here the first option, place. And just right click on we want to check the statistical data how to created by the contour lines. Just right click on your shapefile contour line, right click on that, go to the open attribute tables, open that. Just first option, table options, just click on that. You can look at the create the graphs. Just open that, the create the graphs. You can look here. First option, which types of graphs we want to require. First graphs is the bar, means and max, horizontal histograms, vertical line, vertical area, horizontal area, scatter plot, various types of practical graphs provided by ArcGIS. Just select the options. Value field, which value you want to require to for the presentations of that graphs. Just apply here. I am just selecting here the contour, I am selecting here the ID, I am selecting here the sharp dot length of data. You can look here the variations of that data field ID number. Just I'm selecting here the contour, and I'm selecting here the different options I show you, like so. Just presenting your data on the statistical graphical representations, so you can use in center having the more data informations are providing, outside is less. So another polars, so bubbles look like this. It is required sometimes. So some, because bubbles are required, vertical bars. Select here the contours, like select here, we are selecting here the vertical bars, like just select the first option, the contours. Then we go of the field, uh, X field, Y field, we give the information of that. This is a interval times, you can look here. This is a contour of height of that intensity, ascending, descending, which order we want to require. Or value, as your choice, you can select that. Vertical axis, left axis, just like a toy. You can look here the your right to left, bottom, top. So as your choice, you can modify your graphs properly. You can look the proper view. We are just expanding that. Just show the label of that contour lines. You can look here the hundreds and thousands of data values. These contour values are coming here, so we not add that. Matching layer, plates, claw. You can look here. Classic, moderate, modern, as you are interesting which graphs are give the well present your data. Just pyramid, diamond, as your choice, you can select. 100 sketch, 100% slides. Okay, so you can also load the template of another about the graphs. You can just write, go to the next options, just click the next options. We also give the name of that graphs. You can look here the graph of contour lines here, study, and give the study area. Then footer names, we also are adding here the my name Jaipal Singh Kate and Professor. Professor Ratnadeep R. Deshmukh, he is my mentors. So who create that graphs and tables and values, we are also everything modifying in these graphs. Just 3D view, you can look here this X, Y or shade portions are creating here. Okay, this is a 2D views, and we want to look here the 3D views. So interesting to we look. Graph titles, you can look here the options we are providing here. Interval, line value, contour lines value, and various changes you can apply. Lots of options we have available. Just go to the finish. This is my result of these contour lines. So hope guys you enjoy using. So hope you guys enjoying these practical sessions. So do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channels. It is called the Do It New, and do not to forget the press bell icon also, so I continuously provide you update about my practical tutorials. So thank you guys. Sorry, one more things I am forgetting to share with you. Just right click on your graphs, and you want to also give the print or add a layout like this. So you can do anything with your ArcGIS. Just we can look at the add the layout, copy of graphics. So lots of options are available here. You can apply one by one and enjoy this tutorials. So once again I said, but do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channels. So thank you guys. Bye.